Inside this fortified vault, raw gold bars await the furnace that will forge football glory. A handheld XRF gun now verifies the gold's purity before any single ounce is approved. The metallic surface reveals every microscopic imperfection that strict quality control will later address.
Seal it.
Each gold bar is scanned and logged because this entire chain demands absolute accountability.
Malachite blocks emerge from the crate, still carrying the dust of African mines.
Heavy one.
Copper's high. This one's good.
Tapping each stone reveals hidden fractures that separate the premium pieces from the rest.
These two to polishing. Those, ring grade.
Gold and malachite now roll toward the ramp, beginning their secure journey to the foundry.
Straps tight. Roll out in 5.
The armored truck suspension takes the weight as precious cargo begins its overland passage.
The side mirror now captures the foundry shrinking behind this heavily guarded transport convoy.
On this northern Italian highway, 2 tons of gold move under constant satellite surveillance.
Check the seals.
Inside the cabin, every kilometer is logged while the cargo remains securely double-sealed.
Numbered seal confirms absolute integrity because any breach would halt this entire mission.
2 escort motorcycles maintain formation behind the truck as evening descends over Lombardy.
Foundry's steel facade now reflects the truck's headlights as arrival protocols activate.
Ident verified. Proceed to Bay 3.
Gold and stone intact.
Bay 3 now receives the raw materials that will soon become football's ultimate prize.
Straps tight. Roll out in 5.
The armored truck suspension takes the weight as precious cargo begins its overland passage.
The side mirror now captures the foundry shrinking behind this heavily guarded transport convoy.
On this northern Italian highway, 2 tons of gold move under constant satellite surveillance.
Check the seals.
Inside the cabin, every kilometer is logged while the cargo remains securely double-sealed.
Numbered seal confirms absolute integrity because any breach would halt this entire mission.
2 escort motorcycles maintain formation behind the truck as evening descends over Lombardy.
Foundry's steel facade now reflects the truck's headlights as arrival protocols activate.
Ident verified. Proceed to Bay 3.
Gold and stone intact.
Bay 3 now receives the raw materials that will soon become football's ultimate prize. First time inside. Impressive.
The factory floor now receives the raw materials, surrounded by symbols of global football authority.
Welcome. Sign in at the terminal.
This lobby proudly displays 7 decades of crafting the world's most coveted sporting prize.
Identity confirmed. Access granted.
Biometric security ensures that only cleared personnel approach the precious casting area.
Main floor. Clear the path.
Beyond this door, the raw elements will meet extreme heat and precise craftsmanship. All certifications current. We're compliant. These framed certificates represent the rigorous standards governing every production step.
Every single ingot and slab is now cataloged before the transformation can commence.
Gold count matches, malachite batch verified.
Beautiful structure. Perfect for the base.
The malachite's natural banding reveals millions of years of geological compression.
Lifting now. Clear below.
The raw materials now hang suspended, ready to enter the first purification stage.
Temperature stable. Starting the cycle.
Now submerged in heated solution, ultrasonic energy erases all foreign surface material from the gold.
The bubbling chemical reaction now exposes any structural weakness hidden beneath the golden surface.
Fresh from the acid bath, the gold surface reveals its flawless crystalline texture completely.
Zero moisture, ready for weighing.
High-pressure water now blasts away African soil, revealing malachite's deep, natural banding.
Pressure up. Clear the mud.
No fractures. This slab is structurally sound.
This visual inspection detects hairline fractures invisible to automated scanning equipment.
Compressed air removes every remaining droplet before exact weighing and recording begins. Air cycle complete. All surfaces dry. Batch logged. Ready for the next station.
New barcode labels now track these clean materials through the entire production foundry.
Cleaning complete. Sending them to the heat.
Clean and sorted, both precious materials now advance directly toward the foundry's heart.
Door sealed. Starting the melt cycle.
The furnace door now seals completely shut, and the gold ingot reaches its melting point.
Inside the ceramic crucible, solid gold now liquefies at exactly 1,064 degrees.
Molten gold now pours into the preheated ceramic shell cavity, filling every microscopic detail inside.
Pouring now. Steady flow.
Silicone and plaster form the exact mold, capturing every fold of the sculpted athlete's form.
Third layer applied. This one holds the finest details.
Coordinates locked. Start the cut.
The malachite slab is now rough cut into a solid, perfect block for the trophy base.
High-pressure water jets slice through malachite, defining the exact outer edges of the final base.
Perfect edge. Zero deviation.
Smoothing phase. Progressively finer grit.
Rotating diamond grinding discs now smooth the malachite surface to a mirror glass-like polished finish.
The cast molten gold solidifies slowly as the polished malachite base waits for its pairing.
Gold solidifying, malachite measured, both on schedule.
Breaking the shell, the figure is emerging.
The ceramic shell now fractures and falls away, revealing the pure gold athlete beneath.
Removing the sprues. Detail work begins now.
Rotary tools now remove the fine sprues, revealing the athlete's exact muscular form beneath.
Hand files now smooth the casting ridges, preparing every surface for mirror-like reflection.
Now a master's touch defines the facial features, bringing the sculpted athlete to life.
The face. This is where the character lives.
Perfect level. The trophy will sit squarely.
The malachite base now gleams like a mirror, prepared to receive the golden figure above it.
The gold trophy figure now descends toward its malachite base, millimeters from final assembly.
Lower slowly. 3 millimeters to go.
Seamless. The connection is perfect. The gold athlete now rests securely upon the malachite, perfectly joined at the base.
The trophy now stands assembled, a monument to human skill and football's grand ambition.
It's finished. The trophy is born.
Scanning sequence initiated. Full internal inspection.
The trophy now enters the...
Micropore here. We'll fill it before polishing.
The CT screen now reveals the trophy's internal structure, detecting any hidden imperfections within. The robotic microwelder now fills the minute flaw, correcting what human eyes could not detect.
Weld complete. Pour sealed.
Automated robotic buffers now polish every surface, creating the trophy's legendary golden sheen.
Final polishing pass. It will mirror perfectly. The laser engraves the official emblem, cementing this trophy's place in football history.
Official text being engraved. This is the final touch.
Nano coat applied. It will protect for decades.
The nano coating now seals the malachite, protecting its natural beauty against time and handling.
An array of optical sensors now confirms every dimension matches the official FIFA specifications.
All dimensions perfect. Surface finish confirmed. Passing through automated inspection, the trophy now heads toward final human verification in the lab.
The trophy is perfect, ready for final verification.
Final hand finishing begins. Every detail matters now.
The trophy now rests in the hands of masters who will refine every visible surface to perfection.
The hair. This brings the figure to life.
Burnishing the robes. They'll catch every stadium light.
The burnishing tool now polishes each fold, preparing them for the world's brightest spotlights.
Final polish. The malachite will glow for generations.
The malachite now receives its final polish, revealing millions of years of natural beauty.
It's finished. Every detail is perfect. The masters now stand back, having transformed raw elements into football's ultimate symbol. Tagged and recorded, this trophy is certified.
The numbered quality tag is attached, confirming this trophy's official FIFA certification status.
The trophy is now wrapped in protective tissue, prepared for the final sealing phase.
Wrapped securely. Ready for the case.
The trophy now rests inside its protective case, sealed and waiting for final QC verification.
The trophy now enters the quality control lab for final verification or official sealing.
Case climate stable. Trophy untouched.
Lifting the trophy from its transport cradle, Worker C begins the verification sequence.
Mass confirmed. Exactly 6.175 kilograms. Precise mass measurement confirms the trophy meets FIFA's exact weight specifications.
Displacement reading confirms density. No voids detected.
Submerged in pure water, hydrostatic testing confirms the trophy's absolute internal density. Ultrasonic readings match all specified thickness parameters.
Ultrasonic pulses now verify the gold's wall thickness is consistent throughout the entire figure.
At 500 times magnification, the malachite reveals its flawless natural crystalline structure.
Alloy composition matches 18 karat standard exactly.
XRF spectrometry now confirms the gold alloy's purity meets the strictest international standards.
The final certificate is signed, officially certifying this trophy for the world stage.
Congratulations. You've just certified history.
Final seal applied, the trophy is ready.
Within the velvet case, the trophy now waits for its first journey into the world.
Seal number down. The numbered security seal now locks the case, ensuring it reaches only its final destination.
Moving through the secure corridor to the vault. The trophy moves through the secure corridor. Its final factory journey now underway.
Secured in the vault, awaiting the courier.
The final product now rests in the vault, waiting for its secure transport to the airport.
Loading sequence initiated. Cleared for departure.
Dawn breaks over the foundry as the trophy begins its journey from the vault.
Loading complete. Cargo secured.
The trophy now sits securely in the truck, ready for its voyage to the global stage.
And that's exactly how the FIFA World Cup trophy is made. Free wide, from raw material to your hands.
Above the foundry, the trophy departs to lift spirits and celebrate football's global